Hello, my name is Rodney Flowers, best-selling author, keynote speaker, and resilience trainer. And today we are living in a world where there are more millennials moving into the workspace than ever before. And I understand that it's not always easy for millennials, right? It's tough, and hiring managers and organizations just sometimes don't understand them. And so I just finished listening to a talk that really got to the heart of the issue when it comes to communicating, working with millennials in the work phase, millennials being promoted, millennials being recognized. And I really believe that this is a message that needs to be heard for hiring managers, for organizations, and just individuals altogether, because, let's face it, our demographics are changing in the world and we need to be aware of it. And then in addition to that, we need to know how to present ourselves and how to adjust to the changes that are happening. And this talk that I've heard by Racquel is one that I think needs to be heard all over the world. And so if you're an organization and you're looking for a message that's going to resonate not only with your millennials in your workforce, but with your hiring managers, those that can make a difference in how they hire millennials, how they deal with millennials, I really highly recommend that you seek out Racquel, book Racquel to come to your stage, to do trainings, to consult with her, because she has the solution to this. She really understands the nature of this issue and how we can solve it collectively as millennials and as hiring managers in the corporate spaces. So I just really highly recommend that you take a look at Racquel. Thank you.